Wagwan viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present two videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, and these two videos have been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. The two videos that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a truck overturned and landed on one of its sides. I don't have any confirmed information to determine if there was any fatality, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been seriously injured. Now, I am going to present these two pieces of videos to you so that you can take a look at them and so that you can get a good understanding about the whole situation. But I want you to please bear in mind that these two pieces of videos show some things that happened at the scene of where a truck overturned and landed on one of its sides. The truck was being driven by a motorist on the road somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and something happened at some point that caused the incident. So before I present these two pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the first of those two pieces of videos. Look, listen, observe. You can also tell me what you think.
Jaja. Jaja. Chairman, just up, man. Mandela Highway. Hey, driver there.
DJ, gonna take him on up. Come on.
When there? Come in, dog.
Come down.
Come off my truck, brother. Jaja. Who are going on the road, though, man? Just. Driver good.
Now, before I present the next piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to point out that I can hear at least two persons talking about the situation that might give some form of understanding about the incident. As I said, I am not able to confirm if some words that at least two persons said in the video about the incident are accurate. But in the video, you can hear when at least one person said the word police. And while I listen carefully to some words that a certain amount of persons said in this video.
I know me sorry to come. I police them as see police stop go over.
Well, I great to see I give that back to you. Remember your life,
Anytime people stop by you, hit them out of the way. This can't stop. Like how them must stop.
I wonder how I'm going to slow down right now. I see someone that's come in my car. I wonder how I'm going to slow down, you know. I wonder how I'm going to slow down because the policeman stopped on him right now, sir. I see my come and strip to my car.
This can't stop. Like how
boy, I run on woman.
When it comes on to big unit motor vehicles, they are not exactly the same as a car or a motorcycle. Yes, what I say? Meaning that when you drive a big unit motor vehicle like a truck and you have a certain speed, operating that big unit motor vehicle is not the same as operating a car or a motorcycle when it has a certain speed. Even when it not a certain speed. Yes, what I say? To stop a truck where I go at a certain speed is not as easy as pressing the brakes when you drive a car that going probably the same speed as a truck. You understand? Certain things can happen. You know what I mean? Like if you drive a trailer truck, then the back eye can turn pan and all them things. You see me I say? So more say to each and every motorist, drive safely at all times for yourself and for others on the road. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present another video to you. And this video is going to show someone walking on what I call a badly damaged bridge. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person walking on a badly damaged bridge. Now, before I present this video to you, I want to say this to each and everyone. Yes, I know that you have some people who might live at certain locations where they have to cross a certain bridge or certain types of bridge to get to wherever they're going to go, whether they're going home or they're going out, maybe to get food or whatsoever. As I say. But at the same time, I would not advise anyone to walk on any badly damaged bridge that look like the one that you can see in the video that I'm about to present to you. No, I would not advise anyone to do that. See? But more I look at this video and tell me what I think about the video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
What this bridge? What your mommy have to go through Chigoshi? What your mommy have to go through? What the bridge? You telling me? Your mommy still have to walk 5 miles to go where she going. What this bridge? Nah man. It's shameful. Go Agari? Nah man. Vespri? What the taxi watch? Can't even go cross the job mommy watch. A danger on that bridge, she could lose she life. Going cross the. Come on man, what kind of government what going on here boy?
My people, the necessary authorities in the country where that badly damaged bridge is located need to take a look at that bridge. Yeah man, that bridge need to take a look at, and don't wait until something happen before the bridge get some form of look at. In my point of view, that bridge, if it tear down and build a brand new one, you know see where that for repair, that need to tear down and build a brand new one. Now, I am going to present a video to you that have been posted on social media for some time now. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man and at least one police officer. Now, in the video, you can hear when at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said is a soldier. I don't have any confirmed information as to where and when the video had been recorded. The video shows when a man and at least one police officer grabbed each other. The video also shows when a man and a police officer pushed each other. The video also shows when other persons intervened, the viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, I think that they were trying to de-escalate the situation. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and even though the video had been posted on social media for some time now, I saw that some comments had been made on social media about the video that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police wrong, some persons are saying that the man wrong, viewers and subscribers. So, I would like your opinion on the situation as well. I got unconfirmed information as to why the man had been approached by police. But I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself so that you can get an understanding about the situation, and you can also let me know what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. See? I would like you to look and listen to the video and tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. Alright? Now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
So just get them your thing, get them yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. I don't know. Thank you very much. You stop me because people come and I come around here. You tell me what? Yes, sir. Just now look at the documents, please. Thank you very much. If you want me to go to our meeting, that's why you want to produce the documents, sir? Are you going to produce the documents, sir? Right? I have nothing more to tell you. So, this is not right. Right? The documents? You know what I tell you? Possible? I have nothing more to tell you. I have nothing more to tell you. This possible. This is simple, sir. You know what I tell you? You're not producing the documents. You know what I tell you? Let us go to our meeting. I have nothing more to tell you. Oh, you go tell me. You want to drive into right there? Yeah?
On a turn. A turn. How you could have trucking traffic on a turn? These people for real?
I don't know, so I don't have no time.
Obstructing traffic on a turn? Oh, please.
When you put in the right thing, you're not getting against the court of law. I have cautioned you for, right? I don't know.
No, you can't touch me. I'm not talking to you. If a soldier, you ain't. If a soldier. If a soldier. No. Let me catch you. How the hell you gonna do that? How we gonna do that?
It's not so. Let's go. Relax. You can't touch him, man. Excuse me. I'm not telling you. This is a military man. You don't know the position you're in before. You don't know the position you're in. Sergeant. You can't charge man. Sergeant. I'm passing you sir before arrest you, sir.
Alright, my people, now when it comes down to that situation there that you can see and hear in the video, who do you think was wrong? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.